guys, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaste. Welcome to GT Hatch. Today's video is about how to make an umbrella dress. I'm using this chiffon saree to make the dress and pallu part is used to make sleeves. I have taken here two pieces of cloth for front and back and fold it twice by width. Come on, let's mark the bodice first, which we will do it in lining. First, mark the bodice length, which is 15 plus 1, 16 inches. For shoulder, mark half of the shoulder width. Here I am marking 7.5 inches of shoulder. I am going to make boat neck. Then take half inch for shoulder slope and mark 7.5 inches as armhole line. Mark 1/4 of the chest round here. I am marking 10.5 inches as chest. For waist, mark 1/4 of the waist round and for dots add 1 inch. Here the waist round is 36, I am taking 1/4 of which is 9 and add 1 inch for dot. Then add 1 inch of seam to both chest and waist measurements. Now join these lines. Now markings for the neck. I am going to make boat neck at front and V neck at back side. Take 4 inches of neck width and 3 inches of neck length for the front side. Make a box and draw a boat neck. For the back side, you can take the length as much as you want. Here I am taking 7 inches as neck length. Then draw the V-shaped neck. For dots, mark 10 inches from shoulder and 4.5 inches from center. From the dot point, mark a straight line downwards and make dots for 1 inch. I have cut both front and back parts. Then deepen the front armhole. First, I have cut only the front neck. Now I am cutting the back neck. Now trace both front and back dots on other side. After that, cut the main fabric with lining. Now moving to the bottom part. For that, I have folded the fabric half by width, then folded it by triangle. After folding, I have got 4 pieces. Mark the waist measurement of 9 plus 1, 10 inches here. The length should be of same measurement from top. Here it is 13 inches. From waist, mark the bottom length, which is 32 inches here. And mark this measurement throughout the triangle. Then cut along the marks. Now we can do the main fabric cutting. For that, first I have folded the saree by half, again folded it by half. So I have got 4 pieces. Now keep the bottom skirt on the saree as shown here and cut it by adding 2 inches to that. See here, I have cut the main fabric. When open it, I'll get 2 pieces, one for front and another for back. See friends, just I have attached front and back main fabrics with lining. I have made boat neck in front, so I am going to finish it with the bias strap. So to finish the neckline, I have taken a V-shaped strip which is folded at one corner and attach it on the right side of the neck, then give cuts and turn it. Friends, see here I have finished both front and back necklines and also attached shoulders. Here I have made the umbrella sleeves with the pallu part which is explained in another video. For that please go and check the description box below. For bottom, attach main fabric with lining. I have attached here both front and back main parts with lining. Now join the front top part with the bottom. In the same way, attach the back top part with the back bottom. I have attached both the front and back parts. Now it's time to do the side fittings. This is the finished piece friends. So please like, share and comment on below. We are on our way to 200 subs. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified.